grab your free time link cards and moment animations. Today, I'm going to show you how to grab and use a moment animation from a gift time link shared on X. First, let's tap the time link on the X timeline. Then, the animation will appear. Next, tap the envelope that appears on the animation. A message will pop up. It'll show in a small window at first, so tap the expand icon to make it bigger. Once the gift moment shows up, go ahead and tap it. The gift will pop right into your My Moments list. You can use the moment animations in your My Moments just like the others when you share your schedule. First, create a schedule on the clock screen as usual. Then, just like always, set up your sharing options in the share settings. Select the moment you got from the My Moments list and add a message. There it is in the preview. This is what it looks like when I share the schedule on WhatsApp. You can send the moment you received as a gift to someone like this.